To make this lamb chop recipe, I'm going to start by adding some salt, and you want to add salt to taste, freshly cracked black pepper, some fresh garlic, and some chopped rosemary. Next, I'm going to go in with some garlic infused coconut oil from CGA Limited. And if you guys wanted to make a spicy lamb, you can use their spicy coconut oil and a drizzle of olive oil. Next, mix or massage everything into the meat. Cover and marinate minimum 1 hour or overnight.
Now you can grill these on your stove in a grill pan, or you can grill them outside on your barbecue grill. So today I'm going to be doing these in my grill pan, and you want to put the cap side with that fat down so you can render that fat out first. So I'm just going to be giving this a nice char on the outside. Once it has a beautiful char right through, I'll then pop these into the oven to finish cooking. Now these are on a medium heat. You don't want your heat to be too high, but you also want to create that nice crusty exterior. And by doing this, we're going to render that fat so there's not much fat left on the lamb chops when it's finished. This goes into my oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 to 12 minutes. Once finished, you allow it to cool slightly and then you can plate. So I hope you guys enjoyed this easy recipe. It's very tasty and very delicious, and I served it with my cranberry sauce, which you'll find the recipe on my channel. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Enjoy!